Hello students, I am Dr. Nidhi Mishra, Assistant Professor English, Govind Sarang Government Law College, Bhatapara. And the topic of my lecture is phrasal verb. So what is a phrasal verb? In English grammar, a phrasal verb is the combination of two or three words from different grammatical categories, like a verb with an adverb or a verb with a preposition or a combination of both to form a single semantic unit. For example, turn down, go down, hold back, etc. So these are called phrasal verbs. Now let us look at some important phrasal verbs. First is look out or watch out. This means be careful. Now let us look at the sentence. Look out, the car is coming. Watch out, the car is coming. Next phrasal verb is put out. That means putting out a fire or to exhaust a fire. Now let us look at the example. The fire brigade arrived and put out the fire. Next phrasal verb is cross out. Cross out means to finish or rectify a mistake or a word. Example, if you make a mistake, cross it out. Then next phrasal verb is with on. First is come on or be quick or hurry. Now let's see its usage. Come on, everybody is waiting for you. Next phrasal verb is hold on. Hold on means to wait. And now let us look at the example. Can you hold on a minute? Next phrasal verb is carry on. Carry on means to continue. Example, don't stop working, please carry on. Next phrasal verb is get on. Get on means to manage. Here you can manage in a job, at school or at exam or anywhere where you are facing difficulty. Now let's see the sentence. How are you getting on in your new job? Next phrasal verb is try on. Try on means put on clothes to see if they fit you. Example, shall I try on the jacket? Next phrasal verb is with away. To throw away, that means to discard off. Now let's see the sentence. I will throw away the rubbish. And the next is put away. That means put something in a place where it is usually kept. Example, put away all of your books in the almirah. Next phrasal verb is with up, up, up. Wake up, stop sleeping. Now let's see the sentence. I often wake up in the middle of the night. Next is speak up. Speak up means speak more loudly. Now let's see the sentence. Your voice is inaudible. Can you speak up a bit? Next sentence is hurry up. Hurry up means to do something quickly. Example is please hurry up or we will miss the train. Next phrasal verb is grow up. Grow up means to become an adult or to take responsibilities. Now let's see the sentence. Grow up and take care of your old parents. Okay, now we shall see phrasal verbs with up. Give up, stop trying. And the sentence is, it's a difficult job, but we will not give up. Next is ring up. Ring up means to call someone on telephone. Example, Mohan rang me up last night. Next is look up. Look up means to search for. Example, I looked up the meaning of the word in the dictionary. Next is turn up. Turn up means to make louder the volume, the sound, to make louder. Example, can you turn up the volume? Now let's see the phrasal verb with down. Slow down, that means to go more slowly. Example, you are driving too fast, slow down. Next phrasal verb is break down. Break down means stop working. Now let's see the sentence. The machines in the factory broke down. Next phrasal verb is with over. Fall over, that means to lose your balance. Example, I fell over because I tripped. Next is knock over. Knock over means fall down. Now let's see the example. A man was knocked over by the car. Next phrasal verb is down. Knock down, that means demolish or to destroy. Now let's see the sentence. The old building is going to be knocked down. Next is turn down. Turn down means make more quiet. It can be a radio, it can be a TV or music. Example, can you turn down the volume of TV? Okay, now let's see some other important phrasal verbs. First is round around. That means take somebody on a tour of a place. Example, the manager showed us around the factory. Next is take off. Take off means to leave the ground. Example, the plane took off at 8 o'clock. Next is fill in a form. That means to complete a form. Example, fill the form and give it to me. And that completes our topic, phrasal verbs. Thank you.